Today I'm going to show you how to blend image with the video and create a beautiful animation. Go to Canva and click video. Choose this video resolution. Go to uploads, and after uploading your video, drag it to the timeline. Increase the size to fit the screen. You can use your own image or you can go to elements. Let's type Thailand flag, photos. Let's use this image. Increase the size. Go to apps and type image, Blender. Choose this app. Make sure you select this image and click blend selected image. Change the position of these points like this and decrease the straight. Click save and go back to text. Click text and type your text. Let's change the font and let's change the color to white color. Go to effects, make left shadow and place the text in the right corner. And now click on the text and make sure you click on show element timing and decrease the timing. Make the text appear from here and make the same timing for the flag. Make them appear in the same time. And now let's animate the text. Go to animate, baseline, and change the direction and lower the speed. Make the same for this flag. Go to baseline, change the direction and lower the speed. And here's the final results. I hope you like this tutorial. Subscribe to the channel to learn more about Canva.